Hi guys, welcome. My name is Shed and I run a blog called Wigs.com where I teach people dealing with hair loss how to make, style, and install their own wigs. You don't have to be a hairdresser because I'm not, but I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. On the blog, I also have a free ebook where I show you all the tools and equipment you need to make your own wigs. You can get that ebook for free and I will link it in the information box below. Just click it and get it. In today's video I am gonna talk about raw hair. Yes, I'm looking for raw hair and a raw hair vendor or a raw hair supplier because I have a dream in the future. I would like to provide you guys the best quality hair on the market, but I do have to do my research. I am going to share the things I am figuring out and discovering along the road with you, so hop on this journey with me. In case you haven't heard of raw hair before, I'm just gonna search up the terminology raw hair for you, and I'm just gonna read what I found on Google. And it says raw hair is 100% unprocessed hair collected from one donor. The hair is directly cut from a donor and immediately wrapped into a bundle in order to keep all cuticles intact and in the same direction. This is the highest quality hair in the world as it is 100% natural. Now that you know what the term raw hair means, I am gonna start with the unboxing and I'm gonna go through the specs of this hair, you know. So I bought my hair. Am I gonna reveal where I bought it? I'm going to refill where I bought it because I know I'm not going to work with this supplier. But my hair is here. It's been here for a few days already and I just really had to put myself to the test not to open it. But I'm going to open it right now and you can see the hair and my reaction in the meantime. So let's get started. I'm watching the hair and I'm like, it doesn't really have a smell. This is the 14 inch, so I bought two 14-inch bundles in Body Wave and I'm seeing a gray hair so far, but let's see if there is any filler hair. I'm trying to see if there is any filler hair. But the hair is thick. This is the 14 inch. So if I'm gonna make a wig, let's see. Here's my hair. I don't know if this is raw hair, you know? It's thick. How is the shedding? It's really thick. But yeah. Let's unbox the 12 inch. This is the 12 inch closure. This is how it looks. It's a 5x5 closure, 12 inch, which I mean, having a first look at it, it looks good. It looks good. It looks okay. It's the knots look thick. The knots look thick, y'all. I'm gonna have to pluck, but yeah, I don't know. She said it's HD closure, but I don't know what's HD about this. Because or maybe I thought HD was something else, but this is the 12 inch closure and this is a 12 inch bundle. And it feels like it has something on it. So the hair, the color of the hair, it looks brown. The 12-inch closure is 12-inch, and let's check the 14-inch, and that is 14-inch as well. Also 14-inch. Yeah, the closure is also 12-inch. Let's see. Let's see the width. It is a 5 by 5 as far as I can see. Yeah, it's 5 by 5. So far so good. So yeah, this is the hair. Let's see how it is with the shedding. I'm getting some shedding out of the closure. Yeah, the closure is shedding quite a bit. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the closure. So I'm getting some shedding of the 12-inch, not a lot. It's not fully 300 grams. From the research I did when it comes to raw hair, one bundle comes from one donor's head, and if I order 3 bundles, that means I have hair from 3 different people. Can you follow me? And that sometimes when it comes to raw hair, it results in the hair not being the same the same texture. Yeah, so sometimes the way one bundle is wavy, one is a little bit more curly, one is straight. That's what you're gonna get with raw hair. So I ordered raw Cambodian hair, and the first thing I noticed is that the waves on the hair are uniform. And I'm like, and I noticed this right away when she shipped it. I asked her to send me pictures, a photo, and I saw it. I'm like, is this hair raw hair? Let's talk a little bit on how I found this company. I found them on Instagram, and the lady I ordered the hair from her name is Knit, and the company is called B Lady Hair. And I've ordered a 12-inch and 2 14-inch bundles in raw wavy, and a matching 5 by 5 12-inch closure in the texture raw wavy as well. So I paid the 12-inch bundle was $58.07, and the 2 14-inch bundles were $127.04, and the 12-inch 5 by 5 closure was $56. Now the total price of the hair was $242.01, and then I had a shipping fee of $42, and then I also had to pay PayPal fee of $19.87. So the total amount of this hair, which I mean it's a ripoff, I don't even want to say it out loud, is $303 and 987 cents. Oh my gosh. Then I noticed one thing. I noticed when she sent me the tracking information, I noticed that the sender was iFergo hair. So I think B Lady Hairs and iFergo Hair are the same company. And then I noticed that there are a lot more Vietnamese companies that has the, you know, different small companies, but it's part of one whole company. So yeah, I think maybe those small companies each get their own small commission. I don't know what it's saying. I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to be able to talk to the heads, the main supplier. That's all I want, and I don't want to deal with small companies and stuff like that. But so far the hair itself, the hair looks good. The hair, I don't know, the hair is not 100% raw. I don't believe it's 100% raw because it has texture to it, which is brought to the hair. I'm getting angry of myself because I just read the price out loud, and I'm even thinking if I'm gonna use this hair or send it back. Like I have to sleep on it. I don't know. It just makes me angry because I asked her raw hair, and why would you process the hair? I sent you a picture. I told you I want bushy hair. When I sent her a message, she responded the next day. Yeah, she responded the next day. And you know, it was on a Sunday, and I thought, okay, maybe it's late there because it's on the other side of the world. I don't know. And then I ordered the hair. Like we've talked, show me pictures, how is it, how is that, how is shipping. I asked her how is shipping. She said 3 to 4 business days. Okay, I thought, okay, I'm good. So then I ordered the hair. Then she's like, okay, thank you, time for prepare hair is 9 to 11 working days. Then I will ship hair by UPS, takes 2 days to you. I don't even want to read this to you because I'm getting angry. I'm getting mad at myself for just continuing with this, you know. So I know it's a painful lesson. And then I asked her to please send me a photo of the hair when you before you're gonna ship it out, when it's ready. And then she sent me a photo of the hair, and then the photo looked like this. And I'm like, is this hair processed? Like, I looked at the photo, I also looked at the video. And I'm like, do you have a video where I can see how the company processed the hair on YouTube or anywhere? She doesn't react on it. I noticed she doesn't react on questions I ask on the company, and that's because it is iFergo hair. And raw hair cut from donor, then wash, then sell, unprocessed. Thank you. Okay, there. How long will it take to get to me? Okay, blah blah blah. That's it. So that's my initial review so far. I'm a bit angry on myself because I paid so much money for these short bundles, and I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't just have a, does it have a smell? I don't know. It smells like hair. It smells like hair. It looks double drawn. It looks double drawn, and yeah, that's what I can say. I'm a little bit disappointed, just because when I pay, I want quality, you know. That's why I make this video. Okay, let me be happy. That's why I wanna start my own company and provide you quality hair you paid for. Okay, you pay for it, you're gonna pay for it, but you're gonna get quality raw hair. So as I'm looking who is going to be, as I'm on the search and on the hunt onto finding a supplier, a raw hair supplier, I'm gonna take you along this journey with me, and I'm gonna show you the things I figure out and stumble upon on this journey. But for now, I'm a little bit disappointed and mad at myself that I just continued this process, because I didn't want to wait. I wanted raw hair right away. That's how I am sometimes, impulsive and stupid. But that's why we are making these videos for you, so you don't make the same mistakes as we did. Yeah, I'll probably share a video on how I make my wig, and you know, how the hair looks like, and then you can decide for yourself if you wanna order the hair or not. But just be aware of what you're gonna pay. It's pricey AF for hot steam raw hair, so be aware of that. It's up to you if you want to go and order hair there. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'm a little bit angry of myself, but I hope you've learned something today, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Remember, I have a free ebook. I will link it in the information box, in the information bar below. I also made a video on how I achieve this hairstyle, which I will probably also link below once it's uploaded, and I'll link it somewhere so you can see how I style the hair in case you want to style your hair like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.